In this video tutorial, we will create a stylized space animation in Blender. First, we can go to the Blender, and now in the general tabs, we can switch click this camera and delete it. Then further now, and I'm just press N, and on my screen it's Cost key. Okay, so now click on the cube and S and Z to scale up it, something like that, and then N for scale up it, and then again a little bit scale up it now, and click on the Z axis and S and Y to scale up it, something like that, and then this one, and also this one drive it. And now on this cavity sitting now, and then just click again, press shift A, and then click on the mesh and click on the cube now. Just click on it, press S and X to drag it, something like that, and S and Y to drag it, something like that. Okay, and then S and Z to scale up it, something like that, and then G to set to bring to up it, and take it from the side menu now, and G to grab it now. Okay, to take this on this menu now, here on this way, and shift to duplicate it now, and then again duplicate it to this side twice, and then select that, and again press shift D, duplicate it, and G and Y to bring it, something like that. And we can take it something like a little bit more gap now in it. Okay, so now here to the coolest part of that, I'm just take a little bit gap again more now. Okay, I'm not sure on it. That's what. Okay, so that's it now. And now press again shift A and mesh and click on again cube now, and this time you can so just scale up it, and S and Z to scale up it, something like that, and wrap it like that style. Okay, I'm going to up it now, and by the sidewise I'm just adjust it now, and then click on this modifier setting now, and click on the modifier, search the array modifier now, and on the x-axis you can take a space on it now, and then take a content much more, something like that, and then I'm just come that to be much more, and then select that and to grab it, something like that. Okay, and now one thing, I'm just take it on it, shift D to duplicate it, take simply a little bit space on it, and then again I'm start now. Okay, that's it now, and now I'm just apply on it, and then we can so simply press shift D to duplicate it to this side menu now, hit this RZ 90 degrees, and then press again shift D to duplicate it to this side menu, and then again press shift D to drag it on the x-axis in this R Z 90 degrees, and press G and Y. Okay, and press shift D to duplicate it to this side menu, and yeah, this right, that's right to go. Okay, so I'm doing another amazing thing on it now. Press Shift D to duplicate it to this side for the upper side. So this is the floor of it. Scale it something like that. Okay, so now in this time I'm just pick up a color for it, and material import we can so just use this add-on blender kit and click on the material and then type it cement. Choose it for now a black color. That's going to be good for it. And then we can so apply it on this all over parts of that. Simply we can so click on this menu and drag it to this one by one. I'm just duplicate this another one to this sidewise for looking more stylized. Okay, so now I'm just go to the shader viewport now. First in this blender kit, click on the HDR and type it outer planet. Search it now. So this now you can see this is the unlock on it. So just we can want a free one, press N and then click on the blender kit and click on the search filter and click on the free first. Now free will coming now. So I think this one is so better for it, or I'm just looking something more now on it. If someone get a better one, yeah, this one look maybe so cool now. I think that one is so cool. So check it out that. Okay, so now I'm just press A to select that fully and RZ 90 degrees to rotate it along the 90 degrees for it and looking the view now. Okay, so that's it. And one thing I'm just adding for it now, this light is coming from this side. I want it from this side to coming now, so I'm just adjust it in my own self now. But I'm here add a one plane to it. Press Shift A and then mesh and click on the plane now, and then S and Y to scale up it something like that, and G and Y, and again is scale up it RY 90 degrees, and then this S and Y to scale up it something like that, and then S and Z to scale up it fully like that to cover it. Now that's it. And then we can so add a color to it, pick up it from that now, and in this time I'm just go to the solid viewport setting, and then I'm the Shift A and click on the camera, take on camera, I'm choose angle for it, and then press Control Shift 0, Control Alt 0 to adjust this camera ending point. Okay, so here is the one pick now. Do it. Click click on the plane and press Shift A, Shift S, and click on the color that you selected now, and press Shift A, and click on the empty, and then scale it, and then fully select that, press A, and click on this empty, and then press Ctrl V to parent to them. And now in the first chart, first click on this rotation now and rotate it something like that, and then press I, and here press I and increase the frame rate to 300, and then in this 300 point frame you can press G and X to move it up to this place now, and now rotate it something like this type, and press I again and then I again. Okay, so now we will test it out and have shader we put, how it's look like. So we will rotate it more, something like that. Okay, okay, that's it. So now in the camera setting, now select the camera now, and then press I on the location and press I on the rotation now, and then shift to the local space and then press G and Z, and then click on I to insert keyframe now. So look at that. Now one thing, I'm just add another crazy thing for it. I'm just here to rotate it on Y axis, something like that, a little bit, and insert keyframe now, and again here on 200, something like that. Okay, so that's so cool. And now our this animation is so clear now, but here is the one tweak. You either click this color point and this main point, double shift A, and then we can so click on the light and take on the spotlight, and then bring to the orbit, and then click on this rotation. Make sure you have on our local space, you will adjust it properly. And as far as scale or something like that. Okay, then again as for scale of it. Okay, and then parent them to this empty, and then select that and increase the level of it to the 100 first. It not work, and now we can so increase it now to 1000. So this was scale of it. I'm just add another so coolest thing for it. Is my own choice now, which is so it looks so cool now. First, I'm increase this to 1500 now, and then we can so add rotation for it. This I keyframe now, and make sure you have on a camera setting now, and add click on this auto keying now, and rotate it something like that. And then again duplicate it to this one. Okay, so now that's it, and then we can so add another so coolest thing for right now to be look so more natural now. So here I'm uploaded this character now from the Sketchfab. I will give you the link in the description, or you just search this Black Man People's character, and I'm just edit this to the Maxiamo tab now. And if I'm uploaded it to the Maxiamo in OBJ file, and then click on the next, and we can so choose it chin now for it. So it is the chin, and this is the wrist, and this is the elbow, and this is the groin, and this is the knee. So click on the next now. It will be auto rigging it, and then we will add to this simply walk for it. It takes some time in processing now, so we will wait for it now. So now our character is ready. Click on the next, and we will find there are some animation for it. Currently type walk, I think that's one will be good for it now. And then overdraw. Okay, so that's it now, and then click on this template to show the animation. But okay, we will so add some pathway of curve to it. Now adjust it on it, so we will we want in place animation now, so we can click on that download 30 per frame animation, and then click on the download now. It will be downloaded. So our this animation is downloaded, so now we can so go again to the Blender. Now I can import this animation to the Blender. So now you can simply click on it, and then click on the download and this one, and then simply drag it to it, and now minimize that and click on the import FBX now. So here our this character is here, so I'm with G and X, take it on this main point now and scale up it. Okay, and now here we will check it out that it's worked perfectly. But now you can click on this setting now, and then we can so go to the pose mode setting now. Okay, and press A to select that fully, and then press Shift D to duplicate it to the other side now, and then press A to fully select that and duplicate this keyframe now. Okay, so here in this setting now you can so just hide them out, and then click on this show overlay to off it, and then take the cursor on the point now or again you can so click on that. We doesn't see our cursor now in this moment, so press shift A and then click on the curve and then click on the path. So we will give a path to it, and as for scale of it, and then click on this rotate, so to rotate it something like that, and G and S and Y, and the local space we will also adjust it. So that's it. And now we can so target this armature to it. How we can so go to this constraint, click on the add constraint and click on the follow path. So it will be follow this path now, and we can so click on the object and click on the nervous path. So you can look over this character here from that point to here. So don't worry for that, we can also press Alt G for it. It will click on this and here to this one path now, and click on the follow the curve. It will follow the curve now, and we can so adjust it. We will forward them to the -1 now, and here it will be going from this part to there now. So here in this stage we will click on that point and this path and click on this empty and press Ctrl P to parent them to it now. And now if we can move them, it will be properly moved with that. So here we can also click on this armature now, and then but click on the pose mode, and you can press A and so shift it from, press G to shift from the 1 frame to the 2nd one. And now we can so add insert keyframe now to it now, and then we can so shift it to this one now, to here on the 125 you shift it to this now. Okay, so look at how it's look like. Its look might be so in a speed moving now. I'm just slow it now. Okay, there is some another bug is here. Now go to the pose mode and click on that, select them fully without this one keyframe and without this one, the first one, and then shift D to duplicate it now, and then lock it again for it. Okay, so now that's set, and we can also look out this in a shader viewport now, how it's look like. Press Alt H to unhide everything now. Oh, here is the one bug is another. Our character is so lost their own material now. So what we will do for it? So I'm actually do it for it now is the best way for it. So here now again they're uploaded the same character now. We can, you note that if you just upload the character to the Maxium, you will mostly be an FBX file now. And now if you are not in FBX file, so make sure it will be not supporting it. And then in FBX file they so lost their material now, and now you will so just pick up the material to it now. And I'm just pick up my own and my real one character for it now, and I'm drag it to it now for it. So this is the real one, and is for scale of it now, only for that purpose to shift the material now from it to this one, and then click on this one now. So this is the GLB file now. This is the GLB file now. I'm just exported this in a FBX file. So you just click on this and pick and drop it to it now. So that's it. And then you can so drag this character to upper collection now, and there's the object also now, and then deleted this our thing without the collection now. Okay, so this bug is solved. So now we can again check now that animation how it's look like. Nice. So in the compositor editor, so compositing is so simple now for it. just in the layout setting now. Here I'm shifted from it to the compositor. So it is the compositor. Click on the user node now, and then make sure click on the camera now, and the camera now. So click on this viewport setting now. You can compositor will be showing and always. So I want that I'm see the compositor sitting in a real life here in a camera. Only this will be viewing in a camera now. So here I'm add another thing for it. Shift A and use saturation now. First add it there, and then press shift A again, shift A again, and add glare and paste them out. And the glare now we will just add a shift it from the streaks to the bloom now, and the strength so we look the result first in the cycle. It means that it did not happen now on it. So make sure we will first render the image now. Okay, so shift it to the AV now, increase the saturation now. Meanwhile, it's better on a 1.10, and increase this video now to add some glowing on a bloom. We can choose this one bloom and increase the size now. Okay, that's it now. So here is the result. If you want to download this project file, it's totally free in my download store, so link in the bio, check it out that. So meet you in the next video. Until goodbye.